Welcome back to Inebriated.
My name's Lee.
I'm Bree.
Today we're making a White Russian.
Another one?
Yes, another one.
All right, that's how you make another White Russian. This drink is so yummy. I want to just sit here and sip it all day long. It's very sweet. I love the coffee rum, and I think that's my favorite part of the drink, but why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Of course, it's basically like a base of our coffee rum. We're kind of using Queen Charlotte as a sort of modifier to it, just kind of beef it up a little bit, get some of those classic rum flavors, get a little bit of that caramel oak vanilla from it as well. Of course, coffee is the coffee world's strongest cold brew. So then we also kind of just did the glass, a little bit of caramel, adds a little bit of caramel flavor to it, and we use this pumpkin spice cream. You can use whatever cream you want. I picked up heavy whipping cream at first, then I walked past that at the food line. I was like,
oh, I think that helped a lot, yeah.
Especially for the fall, but use whatever you like, or you don't even have to have cream at all. Honestly, it would work without it. And then just to kind of spice it up a little bit on the top, I just did a little bit of the whipped cream and a little bit more of the caramel, just because who doesn't want more caramel? But my favorite part about it is the salt. You can completely leave this out. This is a nice fancy salt shaker, so I just did like a quarter turn on the top. Use as much as you like. I want to go too overboard with it. It can get out of control. But I mostly just did that on the foam. But also, if you wanted to get it kind of all throughout the drink, crank it into your cocktail shaker. You can kind of taste it all along as you go, rather than just on the top of your drink.
I love that as I'm sipping it, I get those little notes of the salt. I think it makes the drink a lot, like it has more depth to it.
Absolutely.
Because it's very sweet, it's very overpowering, but that salt just gives it that nice savory kick. It kind of leaves you wanting to come back for more, I think. But check out the recipe down in the description below, as well as on our website. Head over to the distillery and check us out for a tour or a tasting. And make sure to come check us out at the Mount Holly Cotton Mill soon. We're filming right now in the location of where the bar is going to be, so get used to it. But until next week on Inebriated, we'll see you guys later.
Cheers.
Cheers.